Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today me and my teammate from DMF section 2 will present about hydraulic pump unloading circuit application for subject fluid power Dmfd 2413. So, this is our team member. This group was led by Muhammad NABIL NAIM bin Muhammad AZMIN. So, our first team member is Muhammad IQBAL bin YUSOF, Muhammad AZMIN bin AZAHAR, Muhammad NABIL NAIM bin HAZAMI, and myself, FAIRUZ bin MAHAD. So now I will proceed to explain about introduction. Hydraulic is a mechanical operation that uses liquid to provide mechanical movement. Normally, it will move using compressed and pressurized liquid. Uh, it also was applied to a heavy machine commonly. So, the main thing, what is hydraulic pump unloading circuit? So, hydraulic pump unloading circuit is a circuit that will maintain pump in no load state. It also will flow back the compressed and pressurized liquid or oil slowly into the tank when the cylinder is broken or cannot be used anymore. It also will decrease the power loss, lower the equipment running loss, prevent the system heating, and extend the pump and motor life.
Now we will move to the function of the component. First, we have tank and fixed displacement pump. For tank is integrated into the pump unit and has a pressure of 0 MPa. It can be inserted into the circuit diagram as an independent component. For the fixed displacement pump, it delivers a constant volumetric flow rate depending upon the revolution and the displacement volume. Next, we have shut-off or countering valve. When the opening pressure is reached at the control line connection, the valve open from P to T. The liquid will flow through it smoothly. Next is filter. The filter limit a concentration of the fluid respecting a certain tolerance valve. It can reduce the risk damage of the component. The next component is 4 to 3-way hand lever valve with shut-off position. In a normal position, all connections are closed. When manually executed, the valve is set to parallel or crossover positions. Next is double acting cylinder. For this double acting cylinder with piston rod in one side, the position of the cylinder contains a permanent solenoid which can be used to operate a paraxmatic switch. And lastly is check valve. If the inlet pressure at A is higher than the outlet pressure at B, then the check valve allows the flow to pass. Otherwise, it blocks the flow. Now we will move to the simulation of the circuit. As we can see, this is the simulation of the circuit. Next, we will move to the result of the circuit. Based on the result, the unloading valve working operation can be simplified where high flow volume was needed at a low pressure and low flow volume was needed at a high pressure.
Okay, for the next element that we use for our assignment is step involved that for complete this circuit. Okay, firstly, we prepare the hydraulic components like filter, check valve, double acting cylinder, 4 per 3 hand lever valve, counter acting valve, tank, and fixed displacement pump. Secondly, basic hydraulic receiver connect with the pump. Okay, when the circuit starts with the basic hydraulic receiver, which is connected directly with fixed displacement pump. Thirdly, the unloading valves connect with check valve. When the inlet pressure at A is higher than outlet pressure at B, then the check valves allows the flow to pass. Otherwise, it will block the flow. Fourthly, check valve connect with 4/3-way hand lever valve with a shut off position which is from port A to port P. Fifthly, 3 tanks are used for running the circuit. Okay, the first tank is connected to the displacement pump. Then the second tank is connected to unloading valves. And the last tank is connected to the 4/3-way hand lever valve with a shut-off position port A and P. Okay, last but not least, double acting cylinder connect with 4/3 valve. And the last one is run the circuit by pressing the start button.
Application of the circuit in real life. Actually, there are many applications that we can found in real life. The first one, hydraulic office chair. For the most standard office chair are controlled by a hydraulic or pneumatic lift mechanism that allow the user to move the seat up and down to suit their body and desk setup. The height of the chair is normally controlled using a lever below the chair. And in the hydraulic chair, there are two chambers. The first one are expandable and the other chamber contain the fluid under pressure. They expand the first, thus causing the chair to rise. And the second one are gasoline pump, gasoline hydraulic pump or pump at pump station. There are three basic systems in every gas pump station. The first one are the hydraulic portion, which include the actual pumping device and the electronic. And the third one is the frame or housing. High pressure gas hydraulic pump are designed for high efficiency with higher bypass pressure for improved productivity. As stated earlier, pump unloading circuit enhance the efficiency, thus keep the pressure at low level. From there, we can see why pump unloading circuit are applied to the pump station. And also for the last one, gasoline engine hydraulic pump are also ideal for delivering gas and pump from the tank. For the conclusion, every system has its own merit and demerit. It is selected depending on the application that we want it to perform. At present, we can see that hydraulic is widely used because they can effectively transfer energy or power to remote location with less moving part and higher efficiency. And the second one is hydraulic system are used in a variety of ways. It include anything from water piston to aircraft. And from the observation that we have done, there are a lot of things that we have learned. The first one, you observe that hydraulic system can deliver constant torque or force regardless of speed change. And the secondly, we observe that how big the importance of pressure relief valve, which help prevent the circuit from overload with pressure. In addition, we also gain an understanding about the specific circuit and also learn where actually hydraulic system are being applied in real life. From this, we can conclude that all the objective and aim to build the hydraulic pump unloading circuit are successful. And that's all from us. Thank you.